John of the Golden. We're here at LAKC. We're racing today. We're racing the go-karts, so come take a look at the kart. 391. Me, I'm running in the X30 class. Got my GoPro mount here, so it's gonna be pretty awesome with the footage on the racing, wheel to wheel. Right now I'm the slowest, but not to worry. I'm trying to figure out how I can get faster. Right now the biggest problem is my braking zone, so I gotta brake later to catch up with everybody. So take a look at the track. We got brand new slicks on here that had just one session of qualifying. So these new tires are gonna last the whole race. On the kart, I gotta be 365 pounds. So we added some weight to the back, right here on the seat and on the back. Skinny Bone Jones over here. We made a slight adjustment in the rear. We narrowed it because the rear end was sliding around a lot. So just want to be sure that everything is running smoothly and I get a good lap time. Right now we have the transponder back here that they gave us. We're running a lap time. Right now I'm doing about a 56. The top guy is doing about 53, 54. So a couple seconds. We had this morning practice, and then we had qualify, and then now we have a heat race of 10 laps, and then following that we have the main event, which is 18 laps. But right now I feel really good. My hands feel good. My back is okay. I hit like some little bolt back here, but we're gonna put some padding on it so that doesn't happen again. I got my beautiful wife here supporting. Trophy wife.
Trophy wife.
Alright guys, as you can see, I messed up on the first lap. I over-braked on there. I braked too late, and what happened was I was trying to do different things every lap, and you don't want to do that on the race day or on the main event. You just want to like stick to your time and just not think about it and just keep racing. So I think what happened was with me is, you know, my team kept saying you have to brake later in these corners, so I kept trying to do that, and I braked way too late, especially on the first lap. I think the tires, I think it's like 1 or 2 laps that I could feel the kart kind of get back to like what I'm used to. So on the first lap I was kind of I had a really good start. It passed 2 people, so I had a really good, you know, progressive thing, and I I felt like I could have gotten or stayed with the pack the whole race. I had the stamina, my arms felt good. It was 18 laps and it went like really quick. Normally like 10 laps, you know, practicing it takes a while, but when you're in the race, it goes by really quick. So yeah, that was my first race. I didn't even practice the day before, so that was a disadvantage to me. I was on vacation, and you can obviously see the time difference from the guys that they were probably there, you know, the day before and then the race day as well. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully a better result upcoming this weekend at SCUSA. We're going to be at Button Willow, so be sure to look out for that video. I am practicing the day before, and I've never been to the track, so that's going to help a lot. So I'm practicing Saturday, and then Sunday is the race, and it's a little bit quicker. There's like a warm up, and then you get right into racing, I believe, because the qualifying is the day before. So it's gonna be super exciting to see where I land, and it's just an incredible experience to get back into racing, especially go-karting. I'm having a lot more fun than my car racing my Porsche, so I'm gonna just keep doing this and, you know, see where I can go, and hopefully I can win a championship or win a race this season. So be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up on this video, and we'll see you soon.